Hey guys, so this is the Park Haven and the Ayuric apartments, and it's been 2 years since we came to look at these, but I also did like an apartment tour not long ago. But I remember when they first got built, we came to see them and they said that all these retail shops would be pretty much filled by the time 2024, and they are all empty, like empty. I just think that they're probably asking for a lot of rent, and just the restaurants don't want to come here. But it'd be a really cool spot because it's a beautiful area. Like, look at it, it's so pretty. Dinner is ready. I just did some chicken with some cucumber and rice, with a little bit of lemon or lime and some salt, and dinner is served. Let's go watch Harry Potter. Guys, so I literally went to like I think it was 3 banks. Well, one of them was like an ATM, and I thought that it was an actual bank, but it was just an ATM that was open. Then I went to another bank, it wasn't open. Then I went to another bank, that one was open, but that one was really old, and so I had to get into the actual bank, like the branch, and get the money order and stuff. So the money order for the deposit for the new place is good, it's done. Oh my god, a little stressful, but it's done. I feel like every time you move, you have to cough up so much, and it's just like, oh, like you're just like, I just want this over and done with. It's all good, it's all done. So I'm back home. I was talking to Summer, so I'm just gonna call her back. But yeah, you guys, I'm just home. I'm just finishing. We're just gonna clean a little bit. We're gonna take Ozzy out back to his but yes, right now I'm just gonna eat a little bit and just watch a murder show because your girl loves to watch that. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm coming home. I just saw my friend Rose and Destiny. They have, so Rose now works on Main Street, and so does Destiny. She waxes. So yeah, I just went to see them. Now I'm coming home, and the first Friday is today. All right guys, that is actually an Elysian property, and then Living Spaces is right here. This whole place is like a mall, you guys, so it's pretty cool. Oh, that is nice.
It's an outside table, but it's nice.
But who says that it has to be out? But they got so much. Oh, that is a nice unit. That does look like your legs. Wow. It's just that little one, right?
I think, yeah, it's just this one.
That's cute.
This could work for a TV stand because everything could be hidden, you know, like all the cords and all that stuff.
Oh, I love these ones. These are comfy. That's the one. Oh. Those are nice. This place is huge. True. Where do we go?
Wow.
That way?
Right,
oh my god, look at this one. Movie night on steroids. Oh, wait. Whoa. This is like for wine people. That's not bad. It's pretty. It's $12.95. But his stuff is very farmhouse for sure. Oh, we're in trouble. Oh my god, that pumpkin is so cute. I want that bat. It glides out.
Look at that Mickey Mouse cup.
That is... Why does it have that? Baby, oh my god, my life flashed before my eyes. I thought that fell. That's cool.
Little Grogu in the middle.
Aw, that's cute. Yes, they do have the Sephora. They're so cute, I swear. Oh, look at all the Christmas stuff. These are all like my favorites. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. This is so cute. I'm in heaven. Look at all of that. So cute. Oh my god. Look how cute. That one is. I love those trees. Huh? Hey guys, look what's happening. I have no idea how we accumulated so much rubbish. This is all that we're taking, but we have to make sure that it looks good. Ozzie's there, he's tired, but stressful. Alright, so we cleaned as much as we could. All the boxes are pretty much packed away. Right here, as you guys can see, that's pretty much all our stuff. Then we got the couch and all of this. Whew. It's gonna be crazy. Oh, you guys, I am so ready to get out of here. I swear it still feels like there's a lot. Oh, I hate moving. I love it, but I hate it at the same time. This Walgreens down, and that used to be a Wells Fargo, but they're closing it down because there's just so much homeless people that break in, and it's just like a little bit of a rough area. But this was the only Walgreens that was close to the art district if you do live there. So it sucks, but let's go. So I just came back from Walgreens. I needed to get toilet paper, and also I cleaned the car out because we're gonna put all the small things inside the car that we don't want to use up the space in the van. So we decided to get a van thinking that, oh, we don't have a lot, but then like we started looking and being like, maybe we should have gotten a truck. But we'll see. Fingers crossed that everything works perfectly. I cannot sleep for the life of me. I hope that when we're in the new place, I just pass out, you know what I mean? But yeah, you guys, I am gonna go a little later. It is very warm outside, so I'm just gonna wait until the sun goes down. Then we're gonna walk through and I'm gonna show you like all my favorite places and stuff at the art district, and that way you guys can go visit it as well. But I got Mr. Gogies and I got my popcorn, and I gotta finish this episode of the first 48. So I'll see you guys in a bit. This is so cool. Look at this. That is so cool. It talks. Oh my god, is he going up? He's going up. The little elf is helping him. So you guys, we have a tree like this, except the lights don't work anymore. But yeah, I can't wait to show you. But Christmas is my favorite holiday, but I also love Halloween. Oh, that's cool. Oh, like rock and roll. That is cool.
Look at there's more trees back there.
Oh wow, why is there more Christmas than Halloween? I love Christmas, but I feel like there should be more Halloween stuff.
I think Christmas is more popular than
That's true.
Halloween.
They get more money with that. That's cute. Oh look, this is the one that looks like in Mescla. This is cute, bub.
that one is
I like the color of this one.
I know, it's a nice little piece.
That is cute. They got more? Oh yeah, I saw that. They're so pretty. Whoa, I've never seen that. Is that real?
Yeah, I think.
Is it? Cosmic?
They're actually really nice.
I like the hanging ones. I feel like that, yeah, I feel like the hanging ones are pretty, but I like this one here. What does this help?
Oh, but this one's pretty. I like this one. Ooh, look at this one.
It says apply once a month.
Wow, look at this one here. See that leaf? How pretty that is.
That's pretty.
Terracotta.
Look how nice. Is this a bonsai? Oh my god, this is fucking cute. 42. That's pretty.
It is a bonsai.
That is pretty. I'd want one.
Yeah, we should get.
I think we should get one. That is very pretty. I've never seen a bonsai so pretty. Oh my god, my mom loves these.
I reckon we should get like one of these.
Yeah.
We can get one of those.
And then one of the, yeah, the bonsai.
Like a corner where we can put our little plants.
I agree. That's so pretty. Oh, whoa.
Little atriums.
I love them. It's that. It's cute. Look at this one. That's cute.
Look at the pot on that one.
Those ones grow though really fast now.
Grow.
Oh, this one's really pretty. Look at that.
Ooh, that was really nice.
That is pretty.
Check this out.
I just would feel bad if I killed it though. Don't drop it.
It's actually like a plastic.
Oh, okay. That's pretty. These are cute.
I think so. I think we should get some plants.
Yeah, I think so. Ah, I love this for like the glass, but I feel like we're good though.
Yeah, I think that's like overdoing it.
Oh, tape. We need tape. That's one thing. Should we get one big one?
Yeah, how much is the big one?
$7.98.
I guess so.
Yeah, because we need it. Well, they got that for $9.98 and you get two. So to me, that makes sense. True. That's why I like it. All right, guys, we got the tape. Box, check. Now dinner for tonight. I'm surrounded by all these pretty lights. You guys, it is like currently 10 o'clock and we're just finishing up right now. We're pretty much, the car is full. The car is completely full.
Your wife tells you she loves you no matter what. Wow. That's a reinforced box.
That is, that legitimately is a reinforced. I swear, I hate when they say like extra large and it's really not.
I wanted to feel what it was like to do it.
Are we gonna put the air fryer?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we should. Oh, maybe the air fryer and the glass stuff. Yeah. I think so. Yeah. Look, you guys, we're already taking our bed already. Ozzy's in there somewhere. Our bathroom is pretty much empty. So we just have to clean everything. Stress, stress. That's so pretty.